Welcome to Craving the Mouse. Join us for another Disney food-inspired video. Get ready to whip up a delicious dish that's a favorite at Woody's Lunchbox, where they turn tater tots into a fun and tasty dish called tachos. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need tater tots, corn chips, shredded mild cheddar cheese, cheese sauce, diced onions, sour cream, and chili. We like to use Walt's recipe. Check out our video, Walt's Ultimate Homemade Chili Recipe, on our Craving the Mouse channel. Cook the tater tots according to the package instructions. You can bake them in the oven or fry them, whichever you prefer. I recommend baking them at 425 degrees F, 220 degrees, for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until golden brown and crispy. Then warm up the chili and the cheese sauce to the appropriate temperature. If you choose to use your stovetop, you can warm up the chili and cheese sauce in separate saucepans over low heat. Stir occasionally to prevent them from sticking or burning. If you are short on time, you can also heat them both up in the microwave. Use microwave-safe bowls and heat in short bursts, stirring in between until warmed completely through. Now let's start putting together our tachos in a bowl. Start with the tater tots by adding your desired amount. The fun part about preparing this inspired dish at home is you can choose the amount of each of the ingredients. Add the corn chips to the tater tots. The corn chips will bring a delightful crunch and salty flavor to your tachos. It's hard to resist not eating a handful, but you may need to resist the temptation as you need them for the recipe. Next layer, you add the chili, then add the cheese sauce on top. It's getting good now. You are building a flavor and texture sensation with every layer. Just a few more steps. Now add the shredded mild cheddar cheese. You can never add too much cheese, in my opinion. This layer of cheesy goodness will help tie all the flavors together. Add onions. They use green onions at the park, but I only had white onions when I made this recipe. Top it off with some sour cream to finish the tachos. Now get ready to kick back and enjoy your creation. Remember that the recipe is in your control. You can add or remove each ingredient to meet your personal taste. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Craving the Mouse for more delicious adventures. Until next time, happy eating.